Welcome to the Fire Alarm and Security Installer's License course. This is your first real step toward getting licensed and operating legally in New York State, whether you're already in the field transitioning into fire alarm and security or preparing to start your own company.
New York State mandates 81 hours of approved training before you can sit for the Fire Alarm and Security Installer's License exam. Completing this course is essential. Without it, you cannot take the exam or legally perform fire alarm and security work. This program ensures you're fully prepared and qualified for the exam. Expect a comprehensive 81-hour curriculum covering 5 core modules. You'll learn fire alarm fundamentals, National Fire Protection Association 72 and 70 compliance, system design, installation, and programming. Gain skills in testing, inspection, and maintenance, and understand New York State and New York City code requirements. Exam preparation focuses on key concepts and strategies for success. Your materials include everything you need from day one. You'll receive National Fire Protection Association 72, National Fire Protection Association 70, and International Building Code books, essential for fire alarm and electrical requirements. Study materials include workbooks, 150 practice questions, and exam prep frameworks. Plus, enjoy lifetime access to the training community for ongoing support. This course is your pathway to professional licensing. Take notes to reinforce retention and create a personalized review tool. Use your National Fire Protection Association 72, National Fire Protection Association 70, and International Building Code books as navigational tools. Tackle all 150 practice questions to mirror exam conditions. Stay engaged throughout as each module builds on the last. Welcome to Let's Get You Licensed. By the end of this course, you'll meet the 81-hour training requirement, master the material, and be exam ready for the Fire Alarm and Security Installer's license. Let's begin your journey to becoming a licensed professional.